Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning. Hope all is well. It's 10:02 a.m. We're 32 minutes into the New York session. We just had a news release, ISM numbers in the U.S. Don't know what the actual number was, and I don't really care, quite frankly. I'll look at it later and kind of chalk it up to irrelevance. But in terms of day trading, of course, I mean, I care overall about the economy and the macro picture. But in terms of scalping here, doesn't matter. I'm looking at price action only and how the market reacts, not to what the raw numbers are. Hope you had an amazing weekend, guys. It is, as I mentioned, 10:03 here. Watching now on this reaction, you can see that we've had a strong NASDAQ and S&P this morning on the New York, trading above the VWAP, while the Dow was trading below VWAP and spiked above it on the news, but really it's just kind of sitting around at this point, as all three of them are now. After that initial flurry, I'm going to flip over to the 30-minute chart. Let's do that, shall we? Going to revise the zone to here. Let's take a look at the S&P. Made an attempt to break into a fresh zone, but then rejected quite violently on that first candle, first 30 minutes of the session. And now, looking at the NASDAQ, refreshing my zones. Dow, flipping candle. This is interesting, guys. I'm going to look at this a little bit closely. Let me put you on pause for one moment. Yeah, so you see this candle flipping now. I am watching the Three Sisters on a different screen. Guys, sell stop order right now. Sell stop on the bottom of this candle right now. Sell stop order. If that candle flips itself, I'm going short for 30 points only. Here we go. Live order. Risking 30 to make 30. It's a 1-to-1. I'm not in this trade. The market has to flip itself. You can see there. Just before a quick burst down below for 30 points. I'm watching the Three Sisters here. This is what I'm looking at. You can see this is the one that I want to get short below here. But you can see that NASDAQ has rallied now, retraced about 2/3 of the prior leg. Here we go. And not yet. In, guys. Just got triggered in. Short the NASDAQ for a quick burst to 729. 729. Bear with me. And no quick burst. And this is fairly typical Monday action. What the market will typically do, it will do differently on very often on Mondays, but watching still. So I'm in this now. I'm still watching the Three Sisters. You see that there? Here we go. And moving down, guys. Here we go. So not exactly a burst, but if we get past that wick a little bit further, we might get that little completion there. Let's take a look. First trade of the week, first trade of the day, obviously. And almost there. We need a little bit more here. NASDAQ is not cooperating. Try to show that to you right there. But the Dow is trying to make its way down. Just had a little pullback there. Patience. Almost back to break even. Watching the Three Sisters still. NASDAQ looking like it wants to round over. S&P the same. And Dow staying strong. Let's take a look at it from this standpoint, shall we? There we go. Copy and paste. You can see the actual entry here on the lower time frame. It's a 2-minute chart on the right hand side. Looking for one more push here, guys. One more and we're done. There it is. 30 points. First trade of the day, first trade of the week, and we are off and running. It's 10:09. So we're just come out of the first 30 minutes of the session. We're actually just about to hit the first 40 minutes. Thanks for joining me. I'm sure we'll see you again a little bit later. I'm not sure, but there's likely another trade in this day, but we'll see. Thanks for joining. Thanks for clicking the like button. I appreciate your support. We'll talk soon. Take care.